The Mona Lisa, everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa, everyone's lining up to see her.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial and it's just going to be a summer look. So the first thing I'm going to start off with is foundation, and I like to use this Maybelline New York 24-hour foundation. And I use two colors, so truffle and deep bronze. So I'm using a damp beauty blender to put in the foundation, and I already moisturized and primed my face. And I used the NYX pore filler as a primer. So the next thing I'm going to go in with is this Pro Concealer from LA Girl, and it's in the color Warm Honey. And I'm just going to put it under my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, and then like just in my cheek zone area. I like to put this on part by part just because this does dry really fast, so I don't want it to leave like a streak on my face. I'm going to do some contouring, and I like to go back in with the foundation. So it's the Super Stay Maybelline foundation, and this one is in the color Espresso. Now I'm going to blend it out with the beauty blender. So I feel like that looks pretty good. And now I'm going to bake a little bit. So I'm going to use a different beauty blender and put some powder. Oh, and this is the Stay Matte Rimmel London translucent powder. I'm also going to put some in the spots where I put the concealer. Okay, so while I let that set, I'm going to do my brows. And I'm just using a brow pencil. I'm pretty sure this is Wet n Wild brand. And I think it's in the color dark brown. So I just outline my brows and then I'll fill them in. And then after that, I'll use some concealer to clean it up. So I want my eyebrows to be darker, so I'm using this Benefit Beauty brow pomade just to make them a little darker. Okay, so I'm gonna brush them out, put some gel on them, and then conceal them. I'm using the Rimmel Stay Matte Concealer. I don't know what color it is because it rubbed off the label, but this color just matches my skin. So now I'm just gonna blend it out, and I usually just go between this brush and this sponge. And now I'm going to use the Benefit Brow 24-hour Brow Setter. and this just makes sure that my brows don't move. So now that we're done with that, I'm gonna dust away the powder, and then we'll start on the eyes. Okay, so I bought this palette off of Amazon, and it was a while ago. It's called Beauty Glaze. The colors are really pretty. They don't have any names, but I'll just tell you what colors I'm using. I'm first gonna use this tan color and just put it all over my lid. And this is just like a base color. Okay, so now I'm gonna go into my crease with these two colors. So that's how it looks. And now I'm gonna pack on this color all over the lid. But I think I'm gonna darken my crease, so I'm gonna go in with a little bit of this color. It's like a red color. So I really want the gold to pop, so I'm gonna spray some of this vitamin C energizing face mist onto the brush, just so it sticks better. So now you guys can see the difference. It really pops. And for the inner corners of my eyes, I'm gonna be using this like hot pinkish color and this glitter right here. So these two colors, and put them in the inner corners of my eye. Usually I put like a silver, but because I want this to look more like a summer look, I want it to be bright. I think that looks super cute. And now I'm gonna put this balloon liner, and it's also a Maybelline New York product, and it's the color Sapphire. I'm gonna put it in my waterline. So now I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild Mega Glow in golden flowered crown, and I'm gonna put that on my brow bone. On the bridge of my nose, and then on my cupid's bow. And then I'm just gonna blend it out. And then I'm also gonna put some on teeth. This side is really splotchy because my skin is peeling right here, but I think this side came out really good. And then I'm gonna put some lip gloss. The last thing I'm gonna do is put on some lashes. But I'm gonna do this off camera because it's gonna take a while. Alright guys, so that is the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed my makeup routine, and I also put on these lashes. They were from Kiss. So all this makeup was very affordable and you can get most of it from the drugstore. I hope you guys enjoyed, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and comment down below some video ideas, and also add me on Instagram at Jasmine_Mahonda.